Good afternoon, everyone. So this is the second time in here. First of all, I want to thanks to God for giving me life here, and then secondly, I want to thanks Yosemite and then all of the church family members for giving me a time here. I'm really glad that I'm here. So today I want to sing a song called Hallelujah. Before I sing that, I want to explain a little bit of what this songs mean to me, because this song is kind of like, telling about David, some of the people from the Bible, like they pray and worship to God at their lowest time. So what the message is, I'm also a young person, so it's okay, we may have like the time to be fell off and something like that, but at the end, I would like to encourage like just to be like worship to God with all of your heart. And that's what the song means. So thank you. I hope God will tell you something when you're listening to this. Hello, hello. 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 I think it's hello. Oh